What's up, Adrenaline Squad? Welcome back to another video. Today we are with Umer uncle again. And yo,
Hi.
what's up? Yeah, welcome to another birding episode. So hope you enjoy this video. So as you can see, we are in this district called Onekal, and we try to spot some rare bird. It's called blue throat, but so far not so lucky.
So we finally found a location where the blue throat was situated, and we waited there because birding and bird photography is something which requires patience and a hell lot of luck.
In my experience, there's no such thing as luck.
It took half an hour for the bird to come out, but we got some good shots, and here are some shots of the blue throat. After that, we were searching for snipe.
Good little snipe. Nice. Giant snipe.
It's not the snipe from Up, not the humongous snipe. The actual snipes are pretty small, and it takes a lot of patience for them to come out because they're like really, really shy creatures and they're really quick, So we were just sitting in an area, and all that happened. Okay guys, we found the blue throat long time ago, and now we're hunting for another bird species, right?
We also have got the greater painted snipe, which photo will be shown later.
After that, we were accompanied by Devashish. Devashish was there in the first episode of birding, and yes, we were also accompanied by a dude named DJ, and we all were doing birding except for me. I was doing vlogging. Odd one out. Oh shit, I'm being sun-kissed here. It's not like sun-kissed, it's like I'm getting sun-assaulted here. Can I file a charge against Sun for assaulting me? Oh wait, I'm a dude. Never mind, moving on. We have our friend here from the first episode of birding, which was there way back, pre-COVID era, where we, did that, We also had a dog who was following us since the start of the journey, and he was following us all along, and he's kind of cute. I mean, I wanted to keep him, but I have a cat at home, and you can see him right there in the background. You lazy dude. And even he's too. This dude has been with us since the start. Respect, soldier. Any luck?
Yeah, we got blue throat today.
Nice.
Yeah.
Even we got.
Dr. Sharieff also got amazing.
Yeah. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you like, comment, share, subscribe. You know everything. Just a bit. And I'll see you in another video. Till then, take good care of your health and also your wealth. And be stealth. Never mind. Bye bye.